Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. You will see that my table is jam-packed. Jam-packed. I do apologize. It's a very tight squeeze. Today's video is all about Home Bargains. A lot of new stuff that Home Bargains have just recently introduced and some staples. Guys, the first thing I'm going to show you is this huge big one here so that we can get this done, dusted and out of the way. This is some hefty artificial grass. This is premium artificial grass and it's 1 by 4 meters. So I'm assuming it's 4 meters and 1 meter wide by 4 meters long. There's no weeding, no cutting, no watering. It's all seasons and it is good drainage, which is what I want. You can see that they had a couple of different types. This one has some browning in it. I thought that looked a lot more natural than the other one that they had. But this fake grass is $29.99 for this big massive roll, which I think is a really good bargain. You can get 2 for $50. However, I didn't need to. If I needed to, it definitely would have been a bargain. But I only needed the one. It is huge. It is super, super easy to install. You literally just cut it to measure. You can tape the bottom if you need to put bits together. I don't. But you can buy the tape that tapes the bottom together. But it does come with this really strong, sorry guys, you didn't see that. This really strong membrane at the bottom, so it stops weeds from coming through. It is great. I have used this before from Home Bargains, and it is super duper handy. But we're going to just pop that right off our table and put it somewhere. It's not going to cause a big hassle. Guys, the next thing that I purchased are these beautiful little Easter bags, 79p. I plan to make up 2 little Easter packs for my, that one's got a bit of marker on it, but I'm not that pen, I'm not that bothered. But they're cute little bags. They're big bags, so they're not the small size, and they're only 79p each. So I purchased 2. Because I'm going to make 2 Easter packs. So I'm super happy about those. If you guys are looking to make Easter packs, they're definitely really, really handy. So I also needed a toilet seat because my toilet seat broke. I don't know why I cannot manage to keep a toilet seat in my house, but I can't. They always get broken. So I purchased this one. This is a Chroma. It's just a white toilet seat. I like the white, the cleanness of it. And it says it has soft closing hinges. Now, I know that you can buy toilet seats that are much more expensive than this, but considering that they constantly get broken in my house, I'm not going to invest a lot of money in a really, really good toilet seat. This little toilet seat is just plain white. It's plastic. It does the job. It's easy to clean. And it was only £10, which I thought was pretty decent. Because I know in a lot of other places, I have picked up toilet seats that are extortion amount of money, which I don't want to pay. So I was really happy to pick this one up at £10, $9.99. I think it is a total bargain. Guys, I'm so excited. My Home Bargains just opened a larger store. Before, it was quite small. It wasn't a big store, and now it is huge. It is, honestly, it's like almost like visiting Disneyland. I get so excited. But this is so much fun. They now sell baked goods. These, I believe, are sausage rolls. It's 5 in a pack. They are cooked today, and they're just £1 for a pack of 5. So I'm going to enjoy eating those for my lunch. And also a pack of 4 croissants baked today, 4 butter croissants, and they're also only £1. Great little snacky food. I love a croissant. I never usually eat croissants other than breakfast, so these are going to be my breakfast. So I have breakfast and lunch. But if you guys want to check out Home Bargains baked goods, they do a delicious, delicious range. So guys, I'm just going to get into some staples that I always buy. I love this pine disinfectant. It is a huge bottle. It is 1 full litre of thick disinfectant. It's clean and fresh, pine scented, which I love. Love the smell of disinfectant. And these are only 69p each, much cheaper than Poundland. So I always pick up my disinfectant from there. I use this disinfectant quite a lot because I have a dog. And I do like to, when she poops or pees outside, I do like to disinfect the area to make sure that it's clean, it's nice again. And I like to use this on my floors to make sure that my floors are always clean. So for 69p, you guys know money's tight for everybody. So it's always good to get something as big as this at such a cheap price. And I happen to love it. My nephews love these little, I think they're called Bibito, little fruit snacks. They're made with real fruit juice. There are no other artificial colors, no artificial flavors. They're high in vitamin C. And what I love about these are they come in little mini packs. So if you guys need a treat for your kids or a snack for your kids, for their little lunchbox, these are pretty darn awesome. Let me just open a pack, and you don't get, there's just enough for it to be a treat. So you get lots of little gummies inside, and these are all heart-shaped. These are so cute. Really nice gummies. Really full of flavor, but none of that artificial flavor. So inside the pack, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 7 little mini packs inside the little bag, and they're only 89p, which I think is pretty darn good. These are so good. I'm going to have some more. They're so good. I love these little milk bottles. I've always loved them. They're made by Barrett's. If you guys haven't tried them, they're just the perfect consistency between being chewy. They're one of my absolute favorites. This has its giant value. I don't know if it is, but you get 190 grams for £1. So I have some healthy snacks. I have some not so healthy snacks. And to guys, to go with part of my little Easter pack, I've purchased 2 of the little mini cream eggs. These are totally cute and adorable. I don't think you get a ton. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're getting 7 little eggs inside the packs. I just think these are great as a little treat. So they will go inside my little bags. And then I purchased some Hellmann's mayo, something I don't use very often, but when my nieces and nephews come, they always ask for mayo. I never have mayo. I don't use it that often, but I thought this was a pretty decent price. I got the mayo, Hellmann's mayo branded for £1, which I thought was pretty darn awesome. I always buy my wipes from Poundland or from Home Bargins. These little 50 wipe packs were from Power Action, were 59p each. They kill 99% of bacteria and viruses, and I'm really glad we have them. I purchased 2 types. I purchased the citrus, and I also purchased the apple because I like both of the scents. So if you guys are in the need for some anti-bac wipes, definitely go to Home Bargins. They're pretty darn good. I also purchase Alberto Balsam. I hope I said that right. Silicone free coconut and lychee shampoo and conditioner. This smells coconutty and sweet. If you guys have never tried lychee, do. It is delicious. But definitely excited to have both of those. These, by the way, guys, are on offer. If you buy them individually, they're £1 each, but if you buy the set, so you get 2 for £1.80, which I think is not a bad deal at all. I also purchased some, let me pop these out. Also purchased some mailing bags. I'm sure you guys are not super excited about these, but these little mailing bags, they are this on the smaller side. But I like when I'm posting things, I like that I can write directly here. I can put my name and address here. They are pre-sealed, so all I have to do is pull the strip off and seal them up. These are 49p. You guys know, trying to buy mailing bags like this anywhere else, they're super, super expensive. So I always like to have them, and you're getting a pack of 6. They only had 2 packs, or I would have bought substantially more. But that's all they had at the shop. Guys, again, I'm going to be doing some gardening, so I always like to have this twine. It helps me when I'm attaching stuff together. Oh, I forgot about the big thing at the back. I'll pull that forward for you. These little stationery, or the natural string is only 79p for 3, so I always like to have that around. Guys, I don't know if I can lift one of these over, but I'm going to try. I purchased these. So these are the Jardin artificial grass tiles. They clip together to make one full strip, and I bought 2. They're $7.99, which I think is an awesome price, because I've seen them so much more expensive in other places. They have interlocking clips that you can clip them at the top. And what I'm going to do in my front garden, I have a little bit of I have predominantly gravel in my garden, and I want to create just a little bit of a grass feature along the top. So I want to make a grass walkway. So I purchased 2. 2 are more than enough for me, because you're getting these tiles each. These tiles each are they're 30 centimeters wide by 30 centimeters long, so they're square, and they're exactly what I need. So I'm super excited to have those. You do not need any tools. They interlock, they clip super easily, so that is awesome. Anything that makes my life substantially easier, I am super happy with. I purchased handy bags, just normal bin bags. These are £1 for 40. I mean, they're pretty self-explanatory. I don't really need to, I don't think, go into those too much. And then I love buying birthday cards that are so inexpensive, because I think it's such a waste when they just get thrown away. So I purchased 4 cards. 2 are the same. So we got the happy birthday to you, 29p for a card. I think is an awesome price. I also bought this gorgeous flamenco one that says happy birthday to a very fabulous you, 29p, bargain. And then I bought this cheers, big ears, bottoms up, happy birthday card, again at 29p. So that's pretty darn good. Super happy. I love Japanese Chinese food. I have never tasted this kimchi. Never tasted this before. It looks like a huge pot of just dried noodles. So it's ramen. I'm not sure if it's hot. I'm really not sure a whole lot about it, because it doesn't give me anything really. Oh, it gives me directions in English. Open lid halfway, add seasoning powder, pour in boiling water inside the cup and close the lid and wait for 4 minutes. Stir and serve. But it doesn't give me any real other instructions. There are noodles, seasoning, vegetable flakes. But I'm excited to try it. I've tried a lot of these ramen. So when I see something that's new and different, I definitely like to give it a go. It looks, because the packaging is red, it looks to me like it's going to be spicy. But guys, check out the description. I always try my best to go back and update the descriptions in my videos. So when I taste this and try it out, I can let you guys know what it's like. And the last thing that I purchased, which I'm super excited for, are these DC Justice League 3D puzzles. These are really small puzzles. There are only 52 pieces, but they're complex. I purchased the Superman one, which I'm still in the progress of building. I have half of it built. But one of my favorite DC, I lean more towards Marvel, but there are specific DC characters that I really like. I really love the Batman, and I really love Wonder Woman. I have not been able to find Wonder Woman, no matter which Home Bargains I go to, which is truly sad. But I did find the Batman, so I'm excited to do this one. Guys, these are only $3.99, and you build them, so it is a 3D construction. They just look really, really awesome. So I'm super excited to build this one. I won't start construction on this one until I have finished the Superman one. But hopefully I will be able to come back and feedback to you guys. So I think there are 6 that you can collect in this series. The Fleisch, Aquaman, Cyborg, which is pretty sweet. There's 7. There's 7 because you have Superman, you have the Green Lantern, my least favorite DC character, and you have Wonder Woman and also the Batman. So I'm super excited to start. I'm super excited to get Superman finished so that I can move on to the Batman. It's going to be so much fun. But I will feed back to you guys in the description. So please don't forget to read down there. Because I really hope you've had fun. I always have fun sharing what I've bought with you guys. I love buying the things. I love showing you guys. So I hope you've had fun too. If you did, please smash that like button. Every time you guys hit the like button, it really does help my channel. My channel is very, very small and I'm trying to hopefully grow it. So if you could like and share, that would be amazing. If you guys are not yet a subscriber, come ahead and join us. We would love to have you here. Hopefully, we all have a lot of fun. And if you guys want to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. I really hope you all have the most wonderful day. Please stay safe. Please look out for each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.